back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the Coledale Horseshoe, and the first wainwright of the day is Coledale Pike, so let's get going. First of all, as we come above the trees, it's a really good view. It's really pretty up here. I mean, that view is just amazing as we're coming up this path along here. It's a really nice day to go walking to today. Look how amazing that is. It's really cool. Look at that view. That's the walk up. I'm just going to go all the way up here and then up that bit, and that's the first wainwright just there. This is a scrambly bit up here. Just gonna walk along there, and then I think up there somewhere's the summit. So we're at the first wainwright of the day, and we're just having a snack and a cup of tea, hot sweet tea. You can see Scotland in the distance over here, which is cool, and it's a really good view, like around there. So we'll come down here and along here next, up to Crag Hill, which is the second wainwright of the day, and I reckon when we get to Crag Hill we'll probably be about halfway. So we've just come all the way down there, and we're just about to come along here and then around this path up onto this one here. We're at this waterfall here, just coming up around here, there. It's very loud. So we've just come past the 750 metre point on the Crag Hill, and yeah, we just gone past the summit of Crag Hill, which is 839 metres. That's Sale just there, and then around here in the distance is Blencathra, Skiddaw and things. So we're just going to have some lunch, then get going onto Sale. Yum. We've also got a mountain carrot here. The view around here is amazing. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's a really nice day today. It's quite sunny but a bit windy too, which is a bit annoying, but I've got my waterproof trousers on, which help. We've got some tea and flapjack, which is nice. We're starting to pack up now, so yeah, let's get going. This is Sale, which we just came past, and it was 773 metres, and we came down the zigzag path here. And now we just have to go up here onto Scar Crag. Scar Crag is 672 metres, so we're just going to sort of weave our way up through a zigzag path. And then yeah, Scar Crag's 773 metres tall. I'm all wrapped up. Now the next one is over there. That one's Coledale Pike over there. The next one for the day. We've got 3 more to go. There's a quarry down there, just there. You can see where they've done their quarrying. We're just coming up to Coledale Pike. We've come along here, along this grass bank, up, along, down, up, and then all the way to Coledale Pike. So now we've got 2 more to go. So we're officially at the summit of Coledale Pike. We were up there, and you can see the zigzag path we came down, which is cool. Yeah. That over there here is Derwent Water, which is cool. We've just got an amazing view. Have some sweets, and then yeah, have a snackette, and then we'll get going back onto the 2 last wainwrights called Outerside and Barrow, which is cool. Now we're going to go to Outer Side and then Barrow. Outer Side, 568. Now we've just got one more, which is Barrow there. So what we did, we came a long way. So we've come all the way up here, along, to that one, I think, yeah. And then along, and then down that path you can see there. And then come up, and then here, which is cool. I must say, I'm feeling quite hot, which is a bit annoying, but you know, just take a couple of layers off. Geez, that water is cold. That water is so cold. We think we found some frog spawn. Look at that. So like, ew, so jelly-like. Maybe the frogs laid their eggs when there was water here. You can see the rain over here coming towards us. I think it's rain, so we've got to be quick. We are at the top of Barrow, 455 metres high. That's our house, just there.
We've got some water in the car.
Literally. There. So, yeah.
I don't even know if I could.
You can see the rain spreading across here. I reckon I'll probably end up at our house soon. Just kind of.
Almost interesting seeing it from this angle.
Yeah.
Actually doing it, isn't it? 'Cause you can
We've
actually...
gone all the way down
That
there.
water is so cold. Now we just need to go down. Braithwaite is just there, and then there's like this little mound, and it's a really good view. Turns out the rain cloud that we were talking about, it's gone down there, you can see it. But was a sleet cloud, but it wasn't bad sleet. It was literally just like a couple of, I'd say, 5 minutes worth of sleet. We've all got our rain covers out just in case. So yeah, look at that view. That's Braithwaite down there. Lots of white houses. Yeah, Derwent Water there. Cat bells. Yeah, it's really good view there. 31,320 steps, 373 power-ups. My heartbeat is 126, 19.24 kilometers, 418 stairs climbed. Yeah, that's it.
Black pudding or sweet chili.
Anyway, that's it for today. We're just going to go home now and chill for a bit. But yeah, it was a really fun walk. So yeah, please can you like and subscribe? It really helps. Bye!